Michael, what do you want?
Some Mishti pan.
Mishti. Alka Mishti pan.
Alka Mishti pan.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the pawn beefs. That's cool. Let's see.
Oh, and they even have this ones, the Indian ones, the Raj, blah 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 one. I know. I had this in India. It's okay, not bad, but not good either.
No, this one. This is the
That
also
one. No, the one in the
Star Hub.
in the package.
Oh, okay. Oh, this. Okay, I thought the data plan or something.
No. That one was
The pan.
not good. I mean, it's okay, but it's bitter.
And supari and everything. Wow, that's so cool. Remember when we went to the supari market?
Yes, in Dhaka, to the supari factory, market, place where they were having tons of supari and they were breaking it and give it to people.
Yeah.
This one going for YouTube?
Yeah.
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit, yeah?
Little
Yes.
Not
bit.
too much.
Alka,
Not too much.
not too much.
Alka. Yes.
You understand Bangla?
A little bit. Alka.
Alka.
same.
Amar naam Michael.
Oh, your name, Michael.
Yes. it's very
Amar
cool.
Desh Romania.
Romania.
Ji.
আমার নাম তপু আমি বাংলাদেশি
Toku. কেমন আছো?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো
Very good. Nice to meet you.
থ্যাংক ইউ
We stayed in Bangladesh 3.5 months.
You?
Yes. Yes, in Shomel, our promoter.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
What is the channel, the name?
DODOEXPLORERS.
Dodo?
Explorers.
Shomil, he's our biggest marketer.
YouTube? Yes, YouTube. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere.
Even the Facebook also?
Yes.
Even the Facebook, yes. Recently the Facebook also.
Oh, Dodo.
Yes, DODOEXPLORERS.
I going to the Facebook better now.
Okay.
So yeah.
Gee.
On Facebook we haven't had this many videos, but in YouTube,
What is the spelling?
Dodo, D-O-D-O,
Dodo.
Explorers.
Thank you, Barbie.
P-O-R-S.
Explorer, X-P-L, Explorer.
Where?
Oh, this is the children's way.
X.
Can you go E?
Taylor.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have like, if you want to see, now we have like videos from India, but we've been in Bangladesh
Thank you.
many
It's same
months.
Instagram, same Facebook, same TikTok, same everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now I follow you.
From here,
I can join with us.
we started Bangladesh trip.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's so good. What's happening here?
Already having it.
Okay, thank you. Fun.
Opening
Yay.
the pan.
Yes,
Then
of
people
course.
can see.
Of course, I open the pan man now.
Open the pan, Michael.
So the pan is like this.
Having fun in Singapore, who would have
Yes.
thought?
I mean, yeah, join us. Follow us.
That's cool. That's so nice.
Very good pan.
Thank you.
Onek Mishti. Onek Mishti.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow, wow,
When we can see this one?
when?
What?
When can we see Michael this video?
I don't know, 1 week, 2 weeks, because I have to put another video. So it's gonna come.
He's editing one-man show, you know? Thank you, man. Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye-bye. Ah, so sweet. I have my phone. Nice. And we're saying hi to the guys. I'm pretty sure they're gonna watch this video as well. So, hi. Let's see the pond. Let's see the pond. Let's see the pond. Okay. This is the pond. Digesting all that food right now. Very sweet. You just have to put a whole leaf with the stingers inside in your mouth. It's very aromatic and sweet, and it's gonna help with the digestion from the huge biryani we just had. Yay, Bangladesh!
Flashback.
We're gonna have traditional biryani today. So, this is the place. Fafuddin. Fafuddin, I hope I'm explaining it correctly. And I heard they have one of the best biryanis here in Singapore. Nice. Okay, so these are the options, right? That's so cool. Oh, nice. What's the name of this biryani?
This is plow and there is a roast chicken. All called rezala chicken.
Rezala chicken.
Yes, one more chicken.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you will like it. This one.
And this is jalebi or jalebi?
Like sweet, like
What's the name of this?
jalebi.
Jalebi, okay, you're from Bangladesh. Hi. And I know that some people say jalebi.
Complimentary. Acha complimentary.
Oh my god.
They are the YouTuber and they have a 1 million viewer and they went Gulshan, they went all over the Bangladesh. You should able to see in Dodo Explorer. Yeah, I mean,
Thank you so much. It's okay, I'll take this one. It's hard, heavy for you.
Egg, you want?
Egg?
Egg, jala.
I don't think there's any biryani without an egg, man. With and without an egg. One egg, please.
One egg.
Because I know people in Bangladesh don't eat biryani without egg, so. Or potato. So complimentary.
Your husband wife though? Take two of you.
Two? Oh my god.
What do you want? Water or Coke or Pepsi, 7-Up? What do you want?
Just some. I don't know. My god. They want any Coke or Pepsi or something? Soft drink? Limca, I don't think they have Limca. Limca. They don't have Limca. This is a Bangladeshi restaurant.
What do they have?
I don't know.
You have the water,
Coke,
you
Pepsi.
have more honey,
No,
and I
water.
guess if you take water, it will be better, right?
Water.
It's
Okay.
quite hot,
Yeah,
outside.
water is okay.
Or you want to have a Coke? It's okay.
Oh, one Coke, two Cokes.
Okay, 2 Cokes,
Yeah, that's
2 water, 3 water.
No water. Thank you. I was asking like how people call this sweet because
Jalebi.
it has 2 names. Like so far we heard. Like in Bangladesh people call it jalebi. In India people call it jalebi. In Pakistan people call it jalebi. So that's a test to find out where the people you're talking to, where they're from. That was successful. So happy to be here. Oh my god. Okay. For how long have you been working here for?
No, he is the owner of this restaurant.
How many years?
1.5
years. Wow, that's cool. And it's already that popular. People coming in and buying all the stuff. The traditional taste of biryani. So let's find out if it's good or not. So this is gonna be a short video, guys, for you. With our friend here, Shamil. From Singapore to Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Like it's a total surprise. So we're gonna try out the biryani. Let's see how it's like.
Actually, you guys are lucky. They still have the food. Most of the time, in this hour, they might don't have the food.
Okay.
I'm super lucky. And
Yeah.
it's a lot of food, man.
Yeah, so have a seat.
Yeah.
What is with Bangladeshi people? They love having a lot of food.
Of course.
A lot of variety.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
okay, let's start. They don't have the metallic cutleries.
It's
It's
okay.
okay.
We can figure it
Try
out.
slowly.
There's no problem.
Nice. Cool.
Yep.
That's so cool.
Okay, I want to put some.
I want to have water. You guys have a Coke and water bowl.
Thank you. But it's like a lot of
No problem.
drinks. I had a huge coffee beforehand, milk coffee, which I love actually here in Singapore, from an Indian place like down the road.
Yes, and I'm
Yeah,
putting
like
now some gravy on my rice, and I know it's not the way to do it.
You know, although you guys live in Bangladesh, but I realize you guys lacking in something, especially this rice. It's called chinigura rice.
Chini
It's
gura.
only produced in Bangladesh. There is no other alternative. No, I mean, India they only have a basmati basmati, but they don't have this. And this is more expensive than basmati.
Oh,
This is fragrance rice.
Okay.
Okay.
Even the rice itself, it smells very nice when you actually.
Ano ba ano mo?
I will show you one packet later.
Okay, sure. Michael, I need your reaction on the.
On rice? Okay,
On
I
the
put
rice.
some gravy on top of the rice because I like gravy on my biryani. Bulbul. This is actually good.
Nice?
Very good. Very good. And with the gravy is even better.
Is it spicy?
No. Difference between the Indian biryani and Bangladeshi biryani is not as spicy. It's aromatic. Indian biryani, a lot of spice, and you feel like
You can make it spicy if you
you
want.
lost the taste and you lost into the spice rather than in the biryani.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have a Chinese
Easily.
colleague, and she came to our house, and she told me, I realized how she knows. She gave me the difference between Bangladeshi and Indian.
Okay.
Okay, the difference is Indian biryani or whatever the curry they made is very spice or some kind of very thick kind of smell or fragrance. But Bangladeshi things is more on aromatic. You have a light
Okay.
fragrance, light smell, and taste different. I guess you can understand after eating this. You try
Okay.
the chicken.
I'm gonna try
Yes,
the chicken
yes.
as well. I'm curious what Michael tries here.
I'm trying the everything. I was cutting my thing here.
This is mutton chop. I mean,
Mutton chop.
cutlet.
Mutton chop. Yes.
Mutton cutlet.
I had chicken chop
Okay.
in Bangladesh.
How is it?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, and
Very good. And it's aromatic as you mentioned.
Yeah, and good thing is that although we have a lacking of people, especially those able to cook properly, but they managed to get someone to cook nicely. That's the good thing. It's not easy to get in Singapore
Yes.
because of the work permit system and all kind of procedures. Not able to get a proper chef or cook to do biryani cooking. So especially this restaurant only have someone I know personally.
Oh,
He
okay.
cooks very well.
Oh,
That's why we came here.
Yeah. if
What's
you
his
go-
name? Do you know his name?
Yeah, I have in the phone. I forgot.
Okay.
I don't.
Because I wanted to do a shout out to him.
Yeah,
so
I can. Okay, later,
anyway.
maybe later. He's inside.
Sure.
But you have few other restaurants who actually belong to Bangladesh also,
Okay.
but they don't taste like this.
Fakhruddin Biryani.
Yes.
Very good place.
Yes.
Yes.
Fakhruddin. This
Yes.
is the name.
They don't taste like this.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the original
The one,
The one,
only,
the only.
best Bangladeshi biryani
Yes.
in
place
Singapore.
in Singapore.
Yeah.
That's really interesting.
And you know,
Man, I like it. It's good.
This Fakhruddin has a restaurant branches in UK, in Australia, in New York. Yeah, they have branches in there.
Oh, that's really nice.
Oh, that's nice.
That's
It's a
very
good
to
biryani.
know.
And I was hungry today because I didn't get the chance to eat anything. So
Just
right
like
now,
some chicken.
this is filling some void in my stomach. Very good.
Okay, man. Let's see. I have this chicken with a lot of gravy on top, and the special rice, and the mutton chop, and complimentary jalapi as well. I'm gonna try to have the biryani, guys, now as well. So this is my biryani, and the pork and the chicken with the gravy and the rice over here, and I have the mutton chop. So I'm gonna taste the rice as well. That's good. That's very good. And very tasty. And it's very tasty. It's not spicy. It's a bit different than the biryani I've tried so far in Dhaka, I think, as well. Like this is like more, I think, made for the palate of the people living here, maybe. Maybe not that strong on spices, but like more, I don't know. It's very, very tasty. And as our friend Shomel here said that they cook like in bulk and the food tastes better. It's made like so.
Because we did try in our home, we not able to make up to this level. Yeah, up to this nice taste flavor.
The one at home was really tasty as well. Here you have to try, you can try like the mutton and chicken at the same time, so you can choose whichever you like. And the chop is also nice. It doesn't, it's very soft and it has some greenery inside. So, would you recommend this food, Michael?
I'm now very busy with my chicken.
Ah, okay.
How the taste the chicken?
The chicken,
Let's see.
Yeah.
it's good. It's
Good, right?
crispy. I like it. The fact that it's crispy
Yeah.
on the outside.
It's not spicy, but you feel like some
No.
kind of, you know.
Yeah, you feel the herbs, the aromatics, everything.
Yeah, correct.
And unfortunately, because I have only this spoon and this fork, I'm trying to cut this chicken with this spoon and this fork. It's going slowly, but as you can see, I can manage it
You're a pro man.
a little bit,
Yeah.
and I can cut even though I have only plastic spoon. Yes. It's like performing open heart surgery on the chicken.
It's good.
Yes.
But it's good. It's worth it. It's worth it.
The jugar is strong with me. I can do jugar even with this tool. Utensil.
If
Yeah.
you are in, you know, you are when craving on having more chicken, you want to take my one?
Man, let
I
me eat
have-
first my one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me eat
me
first
too.
my one, and then if I need more, I will tell you.
Because I'm feeling like I want to have so much of food right now. I had some drinks and dinner just before I come in here. So,
That's good. Let's enjoy it. I like it. I would definitely recommend it. It's very tasty and flavorful. It can get your a full belly in under 10 minutes. Tastes good. Has a lot of meat. Has a lot of flavor. Not that much spices, and it's perfect for that.
Dhanyabad mamu. Onek moja biryani. Thank you so much. Oi, I cannot eat any more rice. I had too much rice, and
you also had
I had my chicken, I had his chicken, and I had her chicken. Because for some reason, all the people decided today to give me their chicken. And if I eat one more piece of chicken, for sure I'm gonna lay an egg or clock or something. Because there's too much chicken in me right now. Yes.
you know, the person who was actually serving us the chicken, he's there.
Okay.
Shakil.
Shakil, no more chicken, please. I had too much chicken. Thank you. So yeah, the food was amazing. The biryani is good. It's definitely one of the top 3 biryanis that I have had so far. And maybe because we have a lot of gravy around here on this table. And I love myself biryani with gravy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching our video. And thank you for, I don't know, being nice people and sharing it to the community. And I hope you can share it more and like and subscribe and do all the things and everything and make us make more videos. And from Singapore we say bye-bye.